Energy is one of the fundamental concepts of physics, as it is involved in virtually all processes in the universe. It is defined as the capacity of a system to do work and can exist in different forms such as thermal, mechanical, electrical, chemical, nuclear, and electromagnetic energy. In fact, the transformation of energy from one form to another is governed by the principle of conservation of energy, which states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed. This principle is crucial for understanding how physical systems work, from the generation of energy to its transfer between different bodies or environments. For example, when electrical energy is converted into heat through a resistor, or when gravitational potential energy is converted into kinetic energy as an object falls. In terms of measurement, energy is quantified in joules, J, which is the standard unit in the International System of Units, SI. Power, on the other hand, is the amount of work done per unit of time and is measured in watts, W. In this sense, the efficiency of a system is determined as the ratio between the useful energy produced and the total energy consumed. Furthermore, energy can be transferred in various ways, such as through work, waves, for example, electromagnetic waves, or heat, each with its own mechanisms and characteristics. Finally, understanding potential energy, as the energy stored due to an object's position in a force field and its conversion into other forms such as kinetic energy, is fundamental to the study of physical phenomena and engineering.